So looking at the Vanguard FTSE All World UCITS ETF. Looking at the Fidelity Zero Large Cap Index Fund. Looking at the Life Strategy 100% Equity Fund.
Index funds, if you know how to invest, can make you rich. And in today's video, we're going to focus on 6 of the best index funds in 2024. Index investing, similar to ETFs, can significantly increase your wealth when you know what you're doing. If you're not sure what index investing is, see below in the description for a video that will give you all the info you need. This is seen as the safe way to invest in the stock market because your risk is spread across hundreds or even thousands of stocks. After 21 years of investing, I can say without doubt that this is my favorite way to invest. I got burned with single stocks in 2010 and 2011, but after making the decision to learn how to invest in 2018, I spent the first 6 months in 2019 immersing myself in investing books, teaching myself how to invest. With more knowledge and understanding, I realised that I'd always been an emotional investor, and this pushed me towards low-cost index funds because index investing is a set and forget approach that helps you to remove the negative emotions. I've done the initial research, decided on a platform and a fund, and by the middle of 2019, I started to invest. I've done this now for the last 5 years without fail, and I've only checked my fund maybe once or twice a year. I've been calm and neutral, and that's why it's been my favourite way to invest. This is how we all should invest if possible, not like I was back in 2011 when I checked on the price of my stocks with an unhealthy obsession. So that's it for me selling you on the benefits of index investing. Let's look at some index funds to give you an idea of what to invest in, and then finishing up with why they can make you rich. Number 1, Vanguard FTSE All World UCITS ETF. This ETF provides broad exposure to global equities by tracking the FTSE All World Index. It includes large, mid and small cap stocks from both developed and emerging markets. The Vanguard FTSE All World UCITS ETF is a popular choice for investors seeking broad and cost-effective exposure to the global equity market. It combines the benefits of global diversification, low-cost structure and passive management, making it a suitable option for building a diversified investment portfolio. Number 2, Fidelity Zero Large Cap Index. Fidelity Zero Large Cap Index Fund is an index mutual fund offered by Fidelity Investments, one of the largest and most reputable investment management companies in the world. Launched in August 2018, this fund is part of Fidelity's Zero lineup, which features a selection of mutual funds with no expense ratio, meaning investors pay 0 fees to invest in these funds. Number 3, Vanguard Life Strategy 100. This is the index fund I've been investing into for the last few years. Vanguard's Life Strategy 100 fund is a popular investment option for investors seeking a diversified portfolio with a high allocation to equities. This fund is part of Vanguard's Life Strategy series, which offers a range of multi-asset funds designed to provide a simple and cost-effective way to invest across various asset classes. Overall, Vanguard's Life Strategy 100 fund offers investors a straightforward and cost-effective way to gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of equities and bonds. With its automatic asset allocation and low-cost structure, the fund is an attractive option for investors looking to build a balanced and diversified investment portfolio for the long term. Number 4, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF is an exchange-traded fund ETF offered by Vanguard. This fund seeks to track the performance of the S&P 500 index, one of the most widely followed benchmarks for the US stock market. This is a popular choice for investors seeking low-cost, diversified exposure to the largest companies in the US stock market. Number 5, Vanguard Information Technology ETF. This ETF seeks to track the performance of the MSCI US Investors Market Information Technology Index. It provides exposure to US technology companies, including giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Alphabet, which is Google. I wanted to include this fund because of its exposure to technology stocks. This is a popular choice for investors seeking focused exposure to the technology sector, if this what suits you. With its comprehensive coverage, diversification, low expense ratio and passive management approach, VGT is well suited for investors looking to add technology exposure to their overall investment portfolio. Number 6, Bitwise 10 Crypto Index Fund. This fund is a cryptocurrency index fund offered by Bitwise Asset Management, a leading provider of cryptocurrency investment solutions. The fund is designed to provide investors with diversified exposure to the cryptocurrency market by tracking the performance of the Bitwise 10 Large Cap Crypto Index. The Bitwise 10 Crypto Index Fund offers investors exposure to the potential long-term growth of the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrencies have gained attention as an emerging asset class over the last few years, with the potential for significant growth over the long term. That's 6 index funds for you to consider in 2024. But how do index funds make you rich? This isn't easy to do, but it is simple. You invest X amount, like £500 per calendar month, and you invest it for a long time, like 20 or even 30 years. But you might be thinking, he's not even giving us examples of how this makes you rich. Well, if you want me to talk you through how index investing can make you rich, see below for a video all about Vanguard index funds and how they can get you your first million. Real wealth normally comes with the magic of compound interest. Take Warren Buffett, for example. Most of his wealth has came after he was 60. And this is because he invested for decades. This is because of compound interest. I really hope this video has provided you with loads of value and it helps you as an investor moving forward. If it has, and you know someone who's getting into investing, please share it with them so I can help more investors and build the channel. I want to help as many investors as possible with my experience over the last 21 years. Thanks for listening to this video, much appreciated.